Guys, welcome back to another video. Hopefully I sound more cheery than I feel. I'm not feeling great. I think I overdid it earlier, but I'm hoping where we're going is going to cheer me up, because we are at the Muir of Dinnet and we are going to go check out what's called the Burn O Vat. It's a vat. It was created back in the last ice age, and judging by the pictures it looks pretty phenomenal, but we'll see. So hopefully my excitement can keep up with just how dramatic this is supposed to be. So anyway, let's go find out. So we're just coming up to what I think is the waterfall and the Burn O Vat, but I'm not... Oh my gosh. I can just see it through there. It takes some clambering, but this should be really cool. Oh my gosh, guys, how incredible is this? So this has obviously been formed by the water coming down in big, lot more quantity than that right now. It's just churning this out and out and out. This big bowl, and you can see what it's called a vat. What an incredible location. Like, this country just continues to surprise me over and over and over again. Wow, what a find, guys. I am hugely impressed with that. That's up my mood. Made me feel a lot better, because that's really not that far a walk. And even though you can't get into the waterfall vat area in a wheelchair, you can actually get up to where it comes out of. So onward. So after the vat and the waterfall, you could either take the same way back if you want to, it's just flat, or you can climb up to the top. And I believe, I'm out of breath, there's a viewpoint up here, so, which they said is worth coming to if you can make it up this far. It's turned into a glorious, glorious day. Partially cloudy, not too hot for hiking. Definitely improved on how I was feeling not long ago. Short and sweet, guys, but this nature reserve has 3 other walks you can do that are quite a bit longer than this. One's like a 6k, one's a 4k, and one's a 3k. So one takes you around one of the locks, one takes you back through history. I think it's the Little Ord Trail. But this is the one that's obviously the most dramatic and the most bang for your buck, I guess. So anyway, we are leaving this section of the Cairngorms for now and heading to the coast just below Aberdeen. I I just saw this on the map. So this is Des Waterfall, and it's right below the road. So we're just going to go walk down and quickly check it out and see if it's actually worth me stopping at. Hopefully I don't fall on my rear end. You see a trail at the bottom, so I feel like this is not actually the best way to get down to this waterfall. There must be another parking area, because this is hellaciously steep. And I swear I'm gonna fall on my rear end. Oh, thank God it's not wet out. Alright guys, onwards, upwards, westwards, eastwards, whichever direction we're going, to the coast. So it's actually east. Oh, let's hope I can get back up this now. I'm not exactly wearing the right shoes for this. Holy moly. This is what we have to climb up. Seems that Dinosaur Castle is a bit of a bust for us anyway. Really, really busy. And we all know how much I dislike busy. So we are going to just try and find something else. I'm not sure how we're going to end this video, but we'll go on and find something better to do that isn't crazy busy and is a little bit more dramatic, because I don't even know how to get down to the waterfall, which is supposed to be quite amazing, but I just don't know how to get there. We're gonna see if we can do any better. We've come down to Newburgh on Ethan to come to Newburgh Seal Beach. So we're gonna see if we can actually see any seals down here. I don't know about the time of year. I know the last time I was in Yorkshire, you know, that we saw lots of seals. So I'm hoping that we still get to see some. The sea fogs come in, if you can't tell from behind us, but beautiful, beautiful. Just splash of sunshine. The gorse is out in full force, and it makes me feel, I don't know, there's something just so happy and bright about it, which is good, because I gotta be fair with you guys, I'm really struggling today. I don't know if it's what's going on. It's just been really, really hard to find the motivation to get out and do anything. Like, and some things that I might have done this morning and first thing when it was quiet, now I just can't get my head around. It's just not there for me. So it has to be something pretty special. And even if we don't see any seals on the other side of this gorse is just setting my heart on fire. Absolutely spectacular. I can see a few bobbing around in the water, and I can hear the grunts of the seals, but we are now having to make our way down through the sand to go actually find the beach. Kai, come on. And unfortunately the chute down is really soft sand, and do we all remember how I feel about sand? Okay, bleh. Should have come the other way, I guess. But the boardwalk had me sold. But now I'm just dealing with more sand than I'd like to. Well, you guys can see just how fast that tide is flowing in by how quickly the seals are moving. I'm holding this camera dead still. So you know that current in the channel is pretty intense. And that's how people get caught out. So most of the seals that are on the beach are over on that side. You can see them all moving around. A lot of them are bobbing around, floating the currents. But so they're not getting as up close and personal as we did at Ravenscar, but I think you probably could get closer if that tide was out, of course. This guy's really curious about us. I tell you, these seals look like way too much, and all they're doing is just floating along in the water, dipping down, but they're definitely watching us. It's like they come over just to watch us just as much as we watch them. But they're definitely curious, especially about the dogs. This was a really good end of the day, guys. Really happy with this. I was feeling a little disappointed with the other two places and just not being into them. But anyway, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and got at least something out of it. And if you guys feel like supporting the channel at all, please check out my store. I'll put the link down below. If you don't feel like supporting the channel, that's absolutely fine too. I'll just keep creating content for everybody, you included. And but as always, guys, take care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.